In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Google Calendar events directly from Gmail. Start by opening Gmail on your computer. Find and open the email that contains the event details you want to capture, things like the date, time, location, or meeting link. Keeping that email visible helps you verify details as you go. At the top right of the email, click the three-dot More menu and choose Create Event. On mobile, look for the same three-dot option in the message view. This opens Google Calendar in a new tab, and you'll see the event title already filled in from the email subject. You can leave it as is or tweak it so it's more descriptive and easier to spot on your calendar later. Next, customize the event details. Confirm the date and start time, and add an end time if needed. If the email includes a location or a video meeting link, paste it into the location or conferencing fields. Use the description box to include important notes, agenda items, or anything you might want handy at a glance. Feel free to copy relevant text straight from the email body. If others are involved, add guests by typing their email addresses so they'll be included on the event. Before you save, set reminders or notifications so you don't miss it. Choose how far in advance you want to be alerted and how you want to be notified. This can be especially helpful for events that require travel or preparation. When everything looks good, click Save to add the event to your calendar. If you added guests, you'll be prompted to send invitations. That's optional. Send them if you want attendees to receive a calendar invite and updates, or skip it if you're just creating a personal reminder based on the email. There's also a quick alternative right inside Gmail. Open the calendar side panel by clicking the calendar icon on the right edge of your inbox. From there, you can manually add a new event while viewing the email on the screen, or edit an existing one with the details you see. This is handy when you don't want to leave Gmail but still need to block off time based on a message. Once you save, the event appears in your Google Calendar and will follow the notification settings you chose. That's all there is to it. Using Gmail to create calendar events keeps everything organized and saves time when you're managing invites and reminders straight from your inbox. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more videos like these.